Hey guys, this was a free sample by Surebounty, but let me tell you why you are going to love this multi collagen. So look at all the types it has: one, two, three, four, and five types of collagen. It's some flavor, and the serving size has 20 grams of collagen, which is great. So this is the serving size, two of this, and then you can add it to smoothies, water, favorite drinks, juice, or even soups. I never tried in soups, but it's great with coffee. You won't taste it and you can enjoy your coffee as usual. So this is great because it supports the hair, the skin, the nails. And I like it also because it has the collagen from the cow, from the chicken, and from the eggshells and other things. So it's great. I believe this is a great thing for you to add to your morning routine. I enjoy it. I also like it because it doesn't have any sugar and it's hydrolyzed collagen, which is great. It's gluten free. And I hope you enjoy it and love it as much as I do. Thank you for watching.